Batak, ILOCOS Norte. Time and again, year after year, document after document, my father declared to the world that he was a son of Batak, proud of this remote and small town that was the very core of his being. Batak, the town of farmers and of students. Batak, the city of all the scholars, the proud warriors and rebels of our history, also those who have time and again distinguished themselves not only in the local battlefield, but more importantly, nationally, bringing that revolutionary fervor not only to fruition here in Ilocos Norte, but throughout the country. Proud indeed of his legacy of heroism and of greatness. Batak, the small but great city of the North. So to all of you, we give our profound thanks. Tomorrow, we will be going to the Laguna ng mga bayani na sa wakas, nandun na ang ating minamahal na Pangulo. Dito sa Batak, sinasabi na wala na ang labi ng ating minamahal na anak ni Batak. Subalit narito pa rin sa kanyang kaluluwa, sa kanyang pagkakaisa at pagkakatinig na siya ay mula rito. So therefore, today we recognize with the National Historical Commission, the National Commission on Culture and the Arts, his accomplishment and the history of his presidency. So we invite you all and thank you for participating in what has been a memorable Marcos Fiesta. Not the fiesta of yore that we were familiar with, the great resounding concerts of my brother BONGBONG, the fantastic and multifarious parades of my mother, our former First Lady and now Congresswoman Imelda Marcos, not even the song and dance shows of my governorship, but more importantly, we celebrate this Marcos Fiesta as the man himself would have wanted. Firstly, austere and simple. Payak lamang at simple sa taon na ito. Sa pagkatong tatay ko ay tunay na payak at simple lamang. Tapos Ilocano, sa mulat at sa buto. Tunay na simple lamang itong pagkunita ng kanyang pag-sila. Ganon din, ikalawa na siguro sa akin matagal na hindi nakikinig ng lecture, ng forum, ng kung ano-ano round table discussion at debate. Truly, this Marcos Fiesta has been an extremely intellectual and cerebral one. And that is truly the mark of my father, of an intellectual rigor that showed in every piece of legislation, in every decision that he took, in every speech and statement that became policy. We will, throughout the year, be launching books, more debates, perhaps more compendia of laws, of decrees, and presidential issuances. Thirdly, of course, it has been heartfelt, and I invite all those in need of medical testing to please join us in the Batak Hospital, in the Mariano Marcos Hospital, where we will be tomorrow providing dialysis, EKG, and other services for free for all those who need them. It is manner of compassion, sincerity, and wholehearted service. This indeed was my father's legacy, and we in Batak remember. The North remembers. Batak will never forget. Sa inyong lahat, Diyos si Aminan at kay amin, Agbiag ni Apo Lakay. Salamat, Presidente Ferdinand Marcos.
na dinala at kinidnap. Kaming lahat ay nag-iiyakan na ulila malayo sa Batak, sa Ilocos Norte, sa Pilipinas naming mahal. Subalit ang tatangko ni Apo Presidente Ferdinand Marcos, paulit-ulit kaming sinasabihan na huwag mawalan ng pag-asa sapagkat ang kasaysayan ay hindi nagtatapos. Hindi nga nagtatapos at tuloy-tuloy ang paggulong ng panahon at kaisipan. When we landed in Hicam Air Base, bereft and lost, shocked to discover that we were so far away, oceans apart from the motherland. We had lost all hope and felt desperate and afraid. My father insisted and said to us, "History is not done with me yet. Do not lose hope." At eto nga, ito na ang araw, ang paggunita ng kanyang 100 na pag-birthday na sa wakas, kinilala rin ng ating kasaysayan na nagkaroon ng isang Pangulong taga-Batak, Ilocos Norte, na siyang namuno sa bagong lipunan at tunay na pagbabago ng ating lipunan. Today, history is not done indeed with Ferdinand Marcos. And like the bard said, the great poet Shakespeare, we today do not speak to disprove what Brutus and the rest have spoken. We are merely here to speak of what we do know. What we do know and remember of the man, our kailan in Batak, Ilocos Norte. Truly, the North remembers, and these past few days, we have remembered again and again his legacy. But yet, after so many decades, winter is not done with the Marcos legacy yet. The debate, the invective, abuse perhaps, that has been heaped upon this legacy continues to brew and to fester. On the other hand, there is in fact passion, loyalty, and commitment from the other side. Let finally these two sides be brought together and the polarization of our poor, beleaguered nation be made one. Isang bansa, isang diwa. Sa inyong lahat, Agbiag ni Apo Lakay. Happy birthday, ken salamat President Ferdinand EDRALIN Marcos. Just the Agnina, kada kayo amin.
Thank you very much, and good morning to all those who are here this morning to help us celebrate the 100th birth anniversary of President Ferdinand E. Marcos. I cannot think, as a member of the Marcos family, I cannot think of a more fitting tribute to his memory, to his legacy, and to his beloved kababayan here in Batak, here in Ilocos Norte. Because after 100 years, my father was born here in Batak, here in Sarat, and after 100 years, he has come back to his hometown with this final recognition of my father's 21 years as president and 21 years of work as the primary nation builder of our country. And it is only right that it is here in Batak, right here in front of his ancestral home, by the river where he almost drowned, and where all the memories of his childhood reside. In behalf of the Marcos family, we are deeply honored. We are deeply touched by the affection, by the loyalty, by the love that his province mates have shown him, not only now, but in all his time here. Thank you all very, very much.